Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it.
Our topic for today is about the units of measure. The unit of measure for length, volume, mass, temperature, time, capacity, and angle. Identify the appropriate unit of measure. We have the physical quantity and we have the unit of measure. For number 1, cloth, we have meter or yard. For a piece of paper, we have centimeter or inches. For soft drinks, we have liter, gallon, or pint. And for ruler, we have centimeter or inches. We have measure of length: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. 1 kilometer equals 10 hectometer. 1 kilometer is 100 decameter. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. 1 kilometer is 10,000 decimeters. 1 kilometer is 100,000 centimeters. And 1 kilometer is 1 million millimeters. So we need to convert 125 kilometer to decameter. Kilometer to decameter, that is a multiple of 10. This is 10, this is another 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. So 125, we'll multiply it by 100. Or we move the decimal point 2 places to the right. It will become 12,500 decameter. We need to convert 575 and 4/10 meter to kilometer. That is from meter to kilometer. How many movement? The movement is to the left. Since the movement is to the left, we have a multiples of 10. This is 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1,000. Therefore, we divide the given by 1,000. Or we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So the answer will become 5,754 10,000s. We have the measure of weight or mass. So we have kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Again, this is a multiple of 10. 1 kilogram equals 10 hectogram. 1 kilogram equals 100 decagram. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram equals 10,000 decigrams. 1 kilogram equals 100,000 centigrams. And 1 kilogram equals 1 million milligrams. So we need to convert 98 and 5/10 hectogram to decigram. This is hectogram to decigram, and that is 3 movement to the right. Since that is 3 movement to the right, we need to move the decimal point 3 movement to the right. So this is 1, another 1, another 1. So it will become 98,500 decigram. Measure of weight or mass. We need to convert 785 milligram to decigram. This is 2 movement to the left. Since that is 2 movement to the left, that is 10 times 10, that is 100. Therefore, we need to divide the given 785 by 100, 785 divided by 100, or remove the decimal point 2 places to the left. Therefore, the answer is 7 and 85 hundredths decigram. We have measures of capacity or volume. So we have the teaspoon, the tablespoon, the fluid ounce, the cup, the pint, the quart, the gallon. So this is the conversion unit. 1 teaspoon equals 5 milliliters. 1 tablespoon equals 15 milliliters. 1 fluid ounce equals 30 milliliters. 1 cup equals 28 hundredths liters. 1 pint equals 47 hundredths liters, or it is equivalent to 2 cups, or 0 and 5 tenths quart. And the other one. For volume or capacity, we have kiloliter is equivalent to liter cube. We have hectoliter, decaliter. Liter is equivalent to decimeter cube. Deciliter, centiliter, milliliter is equivalent to centimeter cube. So, cc equals centimeter cube. We need to convert 424 cc to milliliters. Since milliliter is also centimeter cube, 424 cc is also equal to 424 milliliter. Convert 10 tablespoons to milliliter. We need to look at the conversion factor. 1 tablespoon equals 15 milliliter. So 10 tablespoon to be multiplied by 15 milliliter over 1 tablespoon, so that we can cancel tablespoon. Then after that, we multiply 10 times 15 milliliter. That is equivalent to 150 milliliters. Convert 11 and 4/10 liters to gallons. We have the conversion factor. 1 gallon equals 3 and 8/10 liters. So we have 11 and 4/10 liters times 1 gallon over 3 and 8/10 liters. We can cancel liters. Then we will divide 11 and 4/10 by 3 and 8/10, and the answer will be 3 gallons. And the conversion factor for English system to metric system. 1 inch equals 2 and 54 hundred centimeters. 1 foot equals 30 and 5/10 centimeters. And the others. Convert 7 yards to feet. Conversion factor, 1 yard equals 3 feet. So, 7 yards to be multiplied by 3 feet over 1 yard. We can cancel yard. Then, that is 7 times 3. And 7 times 3 equals 21 feet. Therefore, 7 yards equals 21 feet. We have measures of time. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. 24 hours equals 1 day. 12 months equals 1 year. 365 days equals 1 year. 366 days equals 1 leap year. 10 years equals 1 decade. 20 years equals 1 score. 100 years equals 1 century. 1,000 years equals 1 millennium. Convert 216,000 seconds to days. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 216,000 seconds times 1 minute over 60 seconds times 1 hour over 60 minutes times 1 day over 24 hours. We can cancel seconds. We can also cancel minute. We can also cancel hour. Then, we have 216,000 times 1 times 1 is still 216,000. 60 times 60 times 24 is 86,400. 216,000 days divided by 86,400 equals 2 5/10 days. Convert 6 scores to months. 1 score equals 20 years. 1 year equals 12 months. So 6 scores times 20 years over 1 score times 12 months over 1 year. We can cancel score. We can also cancel years. Then 6 times 20 times 12 is equivalent to 1,440 months. We have measures of temperature. This is Gabriel Fahrenheit. Gabriel Fahrenheit developed the Fahrenheit scale, while under Celsius developed the Celsius scale. Degrees Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times degrees Celsius plus 32. Degrees Celsius equals 5/9 times the quantity of degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. Kelvin equals degrees Celsius plus 273, while degrees Celsius equals Kelvin minus 273. Convert 300 Kelvin to degrees Celsius. Degrees Celsius equals Kelvin minus 273. Kelvin is 300. 300 minus 273 is 27 degrees Celsius. Convert 37 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. Degrees Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times degrees Celsius plus 32. So 9/5 times 37 plus 32. First, we multiply 37 times 9, and 37 times 9 is 333. Then we divide it by 5. 333 divided by 5 is 66 and 6/10 plus 32 equals 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Convert 113 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. Degrees Celsius equals 5/9 times degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. Degrees Fahrenheit is 113. 113 minus 32 is 81. Then we multiply 5 times 81. 5 times 81 is 405. Then we divide it by 9. The result is 45 degrees Celsius. Measures of angles. Classifying angles, we have acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Acute angle is an angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees. A right angle is an angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees, and obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Classify the following angles. 125 degrees is an obtuse angle. We have 12 degrees, that is an acute angle. 89 degrees, 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour, and 1 hour is 1 degree. This 89 will become 90. So 89 degrees, 60 minutes is a right angle. 59 degrees is an acute angle. 90 degrees is a right angle, and 110 degrees is an obtuse angle. Measuring angles. In measuring angles using a protractor, so this point is point A, and point A is the vertex of the angle. The first angle is angle FAK. This is 0, 10, 20, 30. So angle FAK is a 30 degrees angle. We have the next angle, angle KAF. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So angle KAL is a 40 degrees angle. We have angle LAC, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That is a 60 degrees angle, angle LAC. We have another angle, angle CAD. This is 0, 10, 20, 30. That is a 30 degrees angle, angle CAD. We have the last angle, angle BAB. This is 0, 10, 20, and that is a 20 degrees angle. Problem solving. Mara has 30 meters of ribbon. How many 25 centimeter of ribbon can be cut from it? 30 meters is equivalent to 3,000 centimeter. So it will be divided by 25 centimeter. So 3,000 centimeter divided by 25 centimeter is equal to 120. Therefore, we have 120 ribbons. Mr. Garcia has a rectangular lot that measures 760 meters by 65 hundredths kilometer. What is the area of the land in square meter? He is selling the whole lot for 988 million pesos. How much is the price per square meters? We need to answer the problem. 65 hundredths kilometer is equivalent to 650 meters. So, in order to find the area equals length times the width. The length is 760 meters by 650 meters. So 760 meters times 650 meters equals 494,000 meters square. So he will sell the lot by 988 million pesos. How much is per square meter? That is 988 million divided by 494,000 is equal to 2,000 per square meters. Your sister has a body temperature of 95 degrees Fahrenheit. What is her body temperature in degrees Celsius? Does she has a normal body temperature? Degrees Celsius equals 5/9 times degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. Degrees Fahrenheit is 95. 95 minus 32 is 63. And 63 times 5 is 315. And 315 divided by 9 is 35 degrees Celsius. Does she has a normal body temperature? Yes, the temperature is normal. It is no longer normal if it is more than 37 degrees Celsius. Your sister asked you to buy 3 kilograms of sugar. Each pack of sugar in the store weighs 250 grams. How many packs of sugar will you buy? So 3 kilograms is equivalent to 3,000 grams. So we need to divide 3,000 grams by 250 grams, which is equal to 12 packs of